starting to have like little contractions, but nothing really, not where I was like, you know, yeah, not exactly. So around 9, my doctor came in. She can be a little, say, blunt maybe.
And which doctor was it?
Dr. Goodwin.
So she was actually there.
That just happened to be her day, and that was also the day we were doing the name
Okay.
So she came in and she was like, she looked at me, she's like, oh, you know, she gave me a hug, and she's like, here we are, and I'm like, yeah, and then she's like, you are not in labor, you are waiting happy, and I'm like, yeah, and she's like, labor is supposed to be painful, and all this, like, I just felt like she came in and was really named.
I think that's upsetting.
It's probably the first time you heard that sound. That's
Can you do
okay.
it
Yeah, it's probably a new sound.
Can you
That's
do
all.
it quietly for the baby? Do it nice and soft for the baby.
There you go.
I was getting into the dance moves just
That's what I'm saying. This dude need to be in the classroom. This dude out.
Oh, that's nice. That's cool.
Do you have a lot of percussion instruments at home?
We do. I feel like we need more